welcome to Krazy Smart Shop. I'm your host and host, Prisha Malik. Mother is said to be a creation of God, as He could not be present everywhere. Mother does everything for happiness, for her family. In return, does not ask for anything. A mother's job is a thankless job. With no wages, no holidays, and non-stop work for 365 days every year. Few lines for her. My mother kept a garden of love. She planted all the good things that gave me life its start. She turned me to the sunshine and encouraged me to dream, foresting and nurturing the seeds of self-esteem. When the wind and rain came, she protected me enough, but not too much, because she knew I would need to stand up strong and tough. Her constant good example always taught me right from wrong, markers for my pathway that will last a lifetime long. I am my mother garden. I am her legacy. I hope she feels the love reflected back for me. Thank you, Mother, for everything. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all lovely mothers. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel.